Previously, we have listed several top 3 mobile applications for fitness such as running, home workouts, and calorie counting. In the description below, you can find the link to those videos. In this video, we are going to present the top 3 fitness tech product solutions showcased during CES 2021. The products come with no particular order in this video. I want to let you know that we are not sponsored by any of those companies. So if you like our videos and want to see more of such reviews, please support us in our journey by subscribing to our channel. You can do this by clicking the subscribe button below this video. One of the novel products was presented by Tonal. Their product is a compact training machine equipped with several novel features which is perfect for home training. It is well mounted and is perfect for small spaces. You can do many different moves with only one equipment. It's equipped with digital weights and intelligent accessories. The digital weight concept is game-changing and is enabled by electromagnetic forces rather than standard bulky weights. Such systems also enable dynamic control of weights and can be optimized for maximum effect depending on your current status and targets. There is a large touchscreen for controlling the settings and to serve as a personal trainer interface with voice and video. You have the measurement and tracking capability and a coach AI that can guide you in your training, just as if you have a personal coach. The second product in our list is Yogifi, a smart yoga mat and yoga coach. It is equipped with various sensors integrated into the mat that can track your moves and give you dynamic feedbacks using an embedded artificial intelligence. The third product in our list is from Bowflex. They showcase easily adjustable kettlebell and dumbbell equipment. You can select your desired weight and then the set will automatically lock to the right weights. In this case, you don't need to do anything manually. This makes the setup compact and perfect for home workout. It's also equipped with Bluetooth technology and can connect to an application which can serve as a personal trainer that can track your movement and can help you to make your exercise more efficient, professional, and fun. There were many fantastic products shown during CES 2021. Here, we listed the most innovative ones for fitness and home training. If we have missed anything or you would like us to go deeper to analyze certain technologies, please leave it here in the comments field. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.